lerato ka mo nta setraka a metsi o go ne metsi Hey guys, welcome again to the video. I have this lighting. I just came back from town and I bought this phone. I was currently using A15. That's the quality that I was using. Then I went and bought A16. I just wanted to have a phone that is strictly for content and the phone that is strictly for me, because at this moment I overload the phone and it freezes, so I'm just gonna delete anything else that is not wanted and put relevant apps on this one. So content from now on will be shot from this phone, and I don't think the quality is that bad since this A15 is doing the job for me. And I just want to tell you that this phone, it was 3,000 rand and I bought it with my YouTube revenue. I bought it cash. It's a lot of money, so I budgeted that money to buy a phone. I invested back into the channel. So, and also I just want to kickstart on the Instagram. So if this is going to be like this, then my personal phone, I think, will be used for Instagram, because I don't think I will be shooting long videos. It will be just a small clip here and there. Then when I'm done, I'll be deleting. So this will be for landscape and the personal one will be for this one. I just want to also do the TikTok, because my TikTok, I privatized it and privatized some of the videos that I had. I don't have a lot of following. I think there are 22 or something like that. Yeah, I just want to like give 2026 a chance. And another thing, I wanted to tell you why I was uploading every day, or mostly a lot of time in November. I did that because I just wanted to make a shift. I saw it was shifting but very slow, and I thought I will end the month with at least 3,500 subscribers, but it went to 3,487. I'm grateful for that. I gained 110 subscribers. Each video came with subscribers. Imagine every day if I was getting 20, or but every day there was a subscriber on other video. So when I started posting a lot, I was spending on 3,350 something. So yeah, you can add with the 110, or I ended up on 3,487. But then lately, throughout, just after the November month, I went straight to 3.5. But I haven't been posting, so I need to get up again. And then the reason I'm slacking at this moment is because I'm just adjusting and scheduling myself. We have closed at work and I need to prepare to schedule myself with the home environment, because I'm always tired. If I sleep during the day, I just get tired throughout the whole day. And normally, for me to be active or to do a lot of job during the day, I wake up very early in the morning, like I am going to work. So some people will say, hey, you are home, you have to rest. Yes, but some of the chores are waiting, so you can't do them when the sun is already out like that. So I wake up in the morning and I wasn't even feeling like recording, but now that I have this one, I'm just gonna record anything. I will record. And yeah, if the clip is not clippable, then I will delete. But at this moment, I need to just get up and work again. Thanks for YouTube revenue I got at this phone. I hope you are good, guys. You are well. And yeah, okay, for the revenue in November, I can't remember well, but normally on a normal uploads, I upload two times a week in a month, and then the videos are 8 or 9 depending on the weeks of the month. Then I'll be making some 300 and something. Guys, we're still pushing for at least making minimum amount of 1,000 rand so that I can be paid every month. Then in November, okay, and one another thing is that last year in July I did upload every day, but I wasn't really making money. I was making the 142, 180 the most, the highest, I mean, in a month. So July I uploaded every day and I made a 500 rand, 540 something. Then in this, I'll put a screenshot, I think. In this November, I thought, because last year I made 500, I thought I will make 1,000 rand, but I was making 30 something rand every day. So even if I uploaded every single day, I missed 5 days on those 31 days of November. Even if I uploaded 31 days, considering that I am making an average of 30 rand a day, I was not gonna make it. It was gonna be at 930, 940 or 60. So I made 860 something. Like, yeah, it is over 800, but we are there, guys. We are there, and I am happy that you really showed up. You gave me your support, guys. I appreciate every little support. I was getting an average views of 600, between 500 and 600. I was getting that every day, so that is great news. Like, everyday content, yo, it's a lot. Sometimes on the soap piece we get bored by some other lines, I know, guys, but here, yeah, I tried. So yeah, and I got positive comments also. I love you so much, guys. Like, I love you so much. You really showed me that you are there for the channel, you are there for me, and it gave me a power, courage also to keep on going, even if sometimes I would be disturbed by rain or some errands in town, then I will arrive late, then I won't be recording, or sometimes I don't have content at all. But all in all, I did 25 videos, 25 over 31. So thank you, guys. That's all I wanted to tell you on the issue of why I was uploading. I just wanted to shift, because in January, when I started to be fully consistent, I came in the 3rd week of January and started to be consistent 2 times a week. Then I said from my mouth that this year I am wishing to close the year with 5,000 subscribers, but it didn't happen, and I'm so glad. At least throughout the whole year I gained at least 1,000 subscribers throughout the whole year. And if I was uploading every day throughout the whole year, guys, I think I would be far by now, because every day there was a new person coming in. So guys, I don't know, videos might come, and Merry Christmas, Happy New Year in advance. Enjoy your holidays. Keep on supporting each other and other creators. We are really grateful of your support. I'm tired at this moment. I'm so tired. I went to different stores, but Polokwane CBD, it's a no. It want to just wake up and go to town. When they open, you enter and come back. So I delayed in Savannah Mall. Then I went to town around 11. So wherever I wanted to go, I couldn't. I just made a U-turn and came back home. So yeah, town is messed up now. or else you just park your car somewhere and you go down wherever you want to go with your food. So I couldn't do that also because I was with the kids and I was also hungry. And yeah, so guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for everything, and I love you so much.